it's just a, there's a couple of vehicles that I just can't, I don't know. There's a song, it's something I can't stop. Well, I can't. I can't stop ripping a couple of vehicles that I have. There are also other vehicles that I can't stop ripping either. And I know they need maintenance, and it is what it is. Sometimes you just have to point blank, just get out there and rip it. So, today, we got, yeah, again, you know, I keep saying one more time, it never happens. Still no maintenance. This thing is still bone stock. The only difference is obviously swapping out those tires and wheels. We do have the Traxxas XMAXX. The intent is to actually get the XMAXX out there, but you know what else we got? We got the Mojave. So you can't see what controller this is on, but if you're interested in watching this episode from RC Guy Garage, we're just literally going to start ripping some vehicles. So, anyways, let's just get to the video. Yeah, you know which one it is. Arrma Mojave. The thing is just, it's such a blast. Woo! Don't watch out for those rocks. Now, I wanted to see what the Mojave could do with this stuff that's over here. I'm not even sure. No problem. Oh my God. We'll take it down into this pit. It's this pit has definitely, let's say this pit has definitely increased in size here, so. Oh, I think we finally broke the Mojave. We did. Oh no. No, we didn't. What was that? All right, so we got rocks stuck in it. Here I was thinking I finally broke it. Definitely not the case. Oh, I kind of call that a slow-mo. God, there's just no... There is no destroying this thing. I'm not trying to, but it just isn't. Ah! Except when that happens. And I gotta tell you, it's actually rare that something like that ever really happens to this Mojave. And yeah, I call it Mojave, but it's very rare that something like that happens. It's every once in a while, yes, it does land on its lid. Just to know what this thing goes through. Bam! That was a flat landing. Oh my God. That was pretty rough. Flat landing. Oh, jeez. How this thing is not dead? How? How is it not dead? Again, I'm not trying to kill it. Fan's going. Mode is definitely hot. We're going to give it a break. Mode is actually boiling, so right now we're actually going to give this thing a break. But that was point blank ripping the Arrma Mojave. This thing, man. So the only thing that I'm potentially thinking that this thing actually might need, because obviously now the temps are getting up there, they're now getting hot. This thing rips it so hard. I mean, you see, like, literally full trigger. We're in like 80s, 90 degree weather. And this thing is totally just getting beat down. But it takes point blank all the abuse that I point blank almost ever give it. Right now, the motor is, if I was to throw a temp gun on it, yeah, we're not gonna be holding that motor with our hands right now. So we're gonna let it cool off. We're gonna let it do its thing, and yeah. So the only thing that I potentially could maybe see happening on this particular vehicle right here is maybe something that's called a game changer. So Game Changer RC, they make a great fan. So we may explore the option of tossing in a fan on this Arrma Mojave 6S BLX. So hopefully you like watching this episode from RC Guy Garage. And now I'm just going to make another video and take another vehicle. I bet you can't guess what I'm going to take out. Oh, jeez. Into the woods.